Here I have two circuits on two breadboards. The first circuit is made of a HG12E 18-pin encoder and a 333 MHz radio frequency transmitter. Here I have a HG12D decoder and a 333 MHz radio frequency receiver. First I will power up the receiver circuit, and then I'll power up the transmitter circuit. As you can see, all four lights have come on. The HG12E has four inputs, and when one of these inputs is brought low, the corresponding input on the HG12D will also go low. So here I'll bring each of these LEDs low. And all four at once. The application I would have for this circuit is as part of my alarm to have one unit in the shed and one unit in the house. Thus, when the alarm goes off in the shed, this circuit will be able to send a signal to the house to set off an alarm or work with an LCD screen, for example, or LEDs to show that there's something going on in the shed. I shall demonstrate that even when the power comes off on the transmitter, the receiver will still be powered on.